So start our first opening prayer. Adho Padmasana. If any person not able to Padmasana, they practice a Sukhasana. Like that. Adapt Chin Mudra. Place on your both hand on the knees, both knees. Your spine should be erect. Keep your mind. Your spine, head, neck should be one line. Full body get relaxed. Slowly and gently close your eyes. Observe your breathing process. Concentrate on your breathing process 1 or 2 minutes. Do not think others. Just concentrate your breathing. Now chant Mahamrityunjay mantra. Adapt Namaskar Mudra. Take deep inhale. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Slowly release your hands. Feel the vibration of the mantras. Now slowly, gently open your eyes. It is so much important to our mantras, Mahamrityunjay mantra, or you can chant Gayatri mantra also. So before practices we must do it meditation mantras, and ending prayer also we must require. So after an opening prayer we going to our practices. So first practices is spinal twist. Gap your both hand up to 2 or 3 feet up to your shoulder level. Raise your both hand. Both palm each other, face to each other. Slowly twist your both hands right side. Slowly, as much as possible. Next, left side. Keep your mind, your elbow should be straight. Repetition, the practice 3 or 4 times. Knee also be straightened. Do not hold your breathing. Breathing should be normal. Center and relax. Shithilitarasana. Every exercise should be done in happily and enjoyfully. Next practices is front and back. Adapt to your hands. Again, Shithilitarasana. Feel the changes on your body. Now, neck rotation. First of all, front and back. You can also close your eyes. Inhale through back. Exhale. Chin touch on your chest. Now right and left side. Do not tap your shoulders. The next practices is Hands in and out breathing. Either Padmasana or Sukhasana as your choice. Raise your both hands up to shoulder level. Total practices through your inhalation and exhalation. Exhale, both hands back up to your capacity. Expand your chest. Inhale again. Close your both hands. Again, exhale. Slowly. Inhale. Both palms face on each other. Now relax. Next practice is it hand stretch breathing. There are 3 steps. First steps. Both the hand interlock and place on your chest. Stretch your both arms, shoulders. Inhale. Again place on your hands on your chest. Exhale. Stretch your arms. You can close and open your eyes as your choice. Relax. Now second variation is 130-degree angle. Both hands stretch on your up to forehead level and look at your arms, your hands. Exhale. Inhale. Now last and third variation is 180-degree angle. Both hands stretch over your head and stretch your shoulders, arms, and elbow should be straight. Now Next practices is Matsyasana. There are two steps. One is Padmasana Matsyasana and other is easy posture Matsyasana. So first of all I practice Padmasana. Straight your spine, hands beside the body. With the support of your both elbows, lie down on your mat. Catch your big toes. Now, easy posture Matsyasana. Straight your both legs. In Matsyasana, open your eyes and breathing should be normal. Just hold in this posture. Relax. Matsyasana. So we are little bit discussion about Matsyasana. Matsyasana helps our good blood circulation in our heart and our respiratory tract also. Those are suffering from heart disease and thyroid, parathyroid gland, and bronchitis, asthmatic problem, they should practice this asana. But those are suffering from chronic back pain and severe heart surgery, they should avoid this asana. Matsyasana also increase our blood circulation to whole body. So we are regular practices the Matsyasana. Now next is Kapalbhati. Keep your mind, Kapalbhati is coming from Kriyas. Kapalbhati is not a pranayam, is it Kriyas, 6 cleanness techniques. Kapalbhati one of them. So Kapalbhati, adapt chin mudra. Those are novice. One hand place on your belly or navel point. Close your eyes and forcefully exhalation, not inhalation. Inhalation is automatically. You just concentrate your exhalation. beginners or novice person, first of all practice is 60 or 70 stroke, and after the mastery the Kapalbhati, later on they practice the 100 to 200 times stroke. So Kapalbhati, those are suffering from epilepsy, they should avoid these practices, and those person suffering from high blood pressure, they also avoid these practices. Kapalbhati is English form is forehead shine. That means when we are practice the Kapalbhati, our whole body purify the blood system, and are we are going to extra energetic level, and our immunity power booster is so much better. So we are prepared to COVID-19 virus against our practices. So next is Om chanting and Nadanusandhan meditation. So how to practices Om chanting and Nadanusandhan? Nadanusandhan means nad, means inner voice. You just search the inner voice. Adapt Chin Mudra or Adi Mudra. Close your both eyes. And chant the Om in three form: Akara, Ukara and Makara. First chant the Akara. Now together one time Om chanting. Now sun meditation. Close your both eyes. Erect your body. You imagine the sun on your chest level. First of all, place on your hands on your chest and feel the sun is situated in our heart. Observe your breathing. We think that sun gives power. Sun gives power to me. We feel the energetic. We prepare against the coronavirus because sun is blessing of ourselves. Do not attack any virus and extra enemies. to ourselves. Now ending prayer. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखिना भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Feel the vibration this chanting. Take inhale and slowly, gently open your eyes. So the end of my video. We thanks to our NSS unit and officers and others people. So these practices you should practice in 2 times, morning times and evening times. I hope you help much level helpful to against the coronavirus and COVID-19. So I hope that we all of practices this yoga module. So thank you. Namaskar.